Things now to Liberty County, where court is in session in an unusual place. Storm damage to a courthouse annex has forced a justice of the peace to think creatively to keep the judicial process moving along.
Victor Jacobo tells us more from Dayton.
A storm earlier this month caused so much damage to this building behind me that officials had to think quick on their feet on how to keep important court dates on schedule. And that is how this outdoor courtroom came to be.
I'm Judge Wilburn.
From under an oak tree.
We're meeting here today under a little bit different circumstances.
Justice of the Peace Judge Larry Wilburn of Precinct 4 in Liberty County moves ahead with his docket of cases for the day.
And we certainly meet the requirement that we have open court, so I don't know that you could get more open than this.
This unique judicial setup is not out of enjoyment for the Texas fresh air, but rather out of necessity. On September 15th, the Liberty County Courthouse Annex was undergoing renovations when
all of a sudden, rain started pouring in to the building, and it was just kind of chaos.
A storm dropped about 3 inches of rain inside the building.
So everybody's trying to figure out, well, what's going on. Let's try to get our computer equipment.
The rain left an estimated cost of $200,000 in damages. This is what the inside of the building looks like today. Criminal cases can be delayed, but eviction cases are legally required to take place within a certain window of time, and there was no guarantee the county could notify plaintiffs and defendants of a change in venue quickly.
So in the interest of justice, we decided, well, we have this big yard here, this big tree. There's nothing that says we can't have court outside, so we just decided to just go old school and have it here. So here we are.
And so court moves on, complete with constables and a court clerk.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
All persevering for justice to be served.
Everybody just kind of working together, doing the best we can with what we have to work with. Neither side has any questions. You're dismissed at this time.
This is the last day of outdoor court. Judge Wilburn tells me that it's estimated they'll get things back to normal and back in the building by the end of November. In the meantime, they'll be operating out of a different building in Liberty. Reporting in Dayton, Victor Jacobo, KHOU 11 News.